Hello students, today we are going to take one more extra example from the chapter real number. I will read that question. Prove that there is no natural number for which 4 raised to n ends with the digit 0. Prove that there is no natural number for which 4 raised to n ends with the digit 0. As we know, when the unit digit of a number is 0, then that number must be divisible by 5. If one of the number is divisible by 5, then in the prime factorization of that number, one of the factor must be 5. If 5 is not prime factor of that number, then that number should not be divisible by 5. To prove this, first we find the prime factors of 4 raised to n. 4 raised to n. 4 can be written as 2 square raised to n. A raised to m raised to n. By using laws of indices, a raised to m raised to n became a raised to mn. Power raised to power means multiplication of power. Therefore, this can be written as 2 raised to 2n. 2 raised to 2n is the prime factorization of 4 raised to n. If we observe this, prime factorization of 4 raised to n is 2 raised to 2n. In this, there is only one prime, that is 2. From that we can write here prime factor 2 is only in prime factorization of 2 raised to n. There is no other prime number in the prime factorization of 2 raised to n. There is no other prime factor in prime factorization of 2 raised to 2n or 4 raised to n. Here, in the prime factorization of 2 raised to 2n, there is no prime factor 5. From that we can write 5 is not prime factor of 4 raised to n, that is 2 raised to n. From this we can say that 4 raised to n does not end with the digit 0. Therefore, 4 raised to n does not end with 0 for any natural number. Depending upon this, you have to solve some homework sums. I will give that. Sum number 1. Show that 12 raised to n. Show that 12 raised to n cannot end with digit 0 or 5 for any natural number. Show that 12 raised to n cannot end with the digit 0 or 5 for any natural number. Second, check whether 6 raised to n. Check whether 6 raised to n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. And last sum, show that 21 raised to n, show that 21 raised to n cannot end with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 for any natural number n. In all three cases, we have to find the prime factorization of that given respective number 12 raised to n, then 6 raised to n and 21 raised to n. Do the homework and send on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.